This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is Kia EV4, the hatchback. It's EV3's brother from the same mother. And I want to find out, the EV4 is more efficient than the EV3 because the EV3 is boxier. But what about space? Do we have to give up some significant space in the EV4 in order to get better efficiency? Well, let's find out. First, we need to check if there's a frunk here. You see. Well, it's just some car stuff. There's a cover here. Nope, no frunk. And here we have the sexy back, the hatchback. There's also a fastback where the back end here is way more sloped. I think that doesn't sell well in Norway, so that's why we have this. So yeah, we have motorized liftgate. But then, the trunk doesn't seem that big. Wait, is it even smaller than my classic Soul? Well, actually, it's only one Soul. Well, there are two Soul, the e-Soul, yeah, so it's a classic Soul. Well, let's find out. It's not that deep and also doesn't seem to be that tall because of the nature of the car's design. But here, you can open the lid here. You can take out the whole lid. That's what we're gonna do. And oh yeah, look at this. We actually have okay space now. And I'm wondering, what about the rest here? Well, it seems like they don't want you to open up. There's probably just some car stuff there, even though this is front wheel drive, so there's no rear drive unit anything in here. But okay, maybe it's a placeholder for the rear wheel drive. Yeah, there's a rear wheel drive version also of this EV4. Okay, round one in the trunk. So the EV3 can take 8 boxes. What about the EV4? Well, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's actually not too bad. There's only one less than the EV3. And this is actually on par with some of the not so big SUV even. Yeah, most SUVs, they can take 8 boxes or 7. That's good. Now, what about if we fold the seats? As always, we try to put as many boxes as possible in here. And you see, the legroom appears to be quite good, but it's not good enough to put one box horizontally, so you have to put it vertically. And also, I don't know if it comes with the sunroof or not, but since this car has no sunroof, then also somewhat limited how much you can squeeze at the top there, but it seems like it should still be okay. Okay, as usual, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21, 22. It's the same as the EV3. So you see, if you have to choose between the EV3 and EV4, get the EV4 because you have the same space, but you have more efficient car, which means better range. And it's actually, okay, it's better than the classic Soul, but not as good as the e-Soul. But then right on par with the e-Niro. So even though it doesn't look like a spacious car, you have the length and EV drivetrain design, then you actually have good space. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.